It's a bad man tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing unboxing of my winter Daebak box. Daebak box. And Daebak is a Korean subscription box, and it means expression of praise, something that is big, positive, and awesome. So you get 9 products, and it comes with this magazine where it has like a list of all the products. And the only thing I don't like about the box is that it doesn't tell you the prices of the item, which is it's a bumper because I want to know how much they are, and I want to know if I'm getting my money's worth, you know. But when it first came out, because this is a new box, when it first came out, I paid for the annual membership, and I paid $159. So, and I think monthly is $49. So the first thing I'm gonna pull out is this. Oh my gosh, what is this? Like, it has pockets where you can put your hands. Brunch Brother. And of course the things are in Korean, so I'm gonna look. That is so cute. So this is a Brunch Brother winter collection. I guess it's a pillow. It's a really cute pillow. Oh, and it's soft. Oh my gosh, it's really soft. But I don't know how much that said. So, oh, and the second thing is a pouch. It is this, and this is the Keiko Fern square pouch. Oh, that is cute, and I love the color. I mean, yellow is not my favorite color, but it still looks nice. But this is the pouch, and the size is pretty decent. Like, it's pretty. See, one thing that my favorite thing about this Korean box is like all the items that comes with it, they're just so freaking adorable. Like, it's not even funny. And this is the next item, and this is the Care Plus BioBot Collagen Cream. Oh, this is pretty cool. I'm gonna check it out and see. Oh, this is what it looks like. Oh, and it has like a little protective layer. Oh, and it smells good. I'm gonna test it on my hand. Taking a little bit and I'll rub it on. Oh, and it feels very moisturizing. I don't know if you can see a difference, but it feels really cool and moisturizing. So I don't know if what it like. Is this supposed to be like a face cream or what? I don't know. Oh, but that feels really good. Let me see. So it says you use this to follow up like after you cleanse your face. That's pretty good. I'm gonna put it back in there. And the next thing is this healing green tea. Green tea cleansing water. And this is a healing green tea garland cleansing water. Oh, so this, I was reading the book. So this and this, they're from the same brand. The Sim, Simon, I can't pronounce that word, but yeah, they're from the same brand. So when you cleanse your face with this, you moisturize with this. That is pretty cool. Ooh, stickers. And this is the 50 sticker. These are just stickers. I bet you they're cute. Oh, I'm struggling to open it. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna pull one now. So that's what they are. I don't know what I'm gonna do with 50 stickers. I'll probably just put it on my laptop. Or my fridge. Who knows? But 50 stickers, that's a lot. Oh, and we got a sheet mask. You can never go wrong with sheet mask. And this is the EXO Addiction face mask. So EXO is a K-pop brand. Yeah, it's a K-pop boy band. And the company is by Natural Republic. Oh, a 2020 diary. And this is my color my book diary. That's weird, but this is pretty cute. Ooh, I like it. I mean, I don't do much writing, honestly, but it's pretty cool to have it there. I don't have to use it as just a diary, and I'm yet again struggling to open it. Where's my scissors when I need it? Ah! Yes! I got it open. Oh, like, that is so cute. Like, do y'all see that? That is so cute, and it's just plain. And and it has a calendar. Oh, it has a calendar. So that's neat. I love it. You can write your little appointments and stuff. And I like how the space in there, it's like, it's big. You can write a lot of stuff in it. So that's pretty good. And I have some marker. I think that's what it is. Shimmery gel stick. Oh, it's a gel stick. What am I supposed to use it for? I don't know. But it has 3 different colors. I am so confused. Like, I don't know what to use this for. And in the book, it doesn't I don't know what to use it for. It doesn't say in the book, so. Oh, and I got a calendar. Not only I got a diary and a calendar, which is pretty nice. It's a table calendar. I like it. Like, look at that. Oh, man. Oh, this is cute. And it starts with December 2019. That is nice. And then I think in the back, you can write stuff on it. So that's pretty neat. I like it. And I think that's everything. That's everything for this box. Honestly, overall, I was pretty happy with what I got, even though it sucks that I don't know the prices of these things. So, Daebak, if you're watching this video, please, please, please put the prices in the magazine, okay? Alright, thank you. So yeah, guys, this is it for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man thing.